Welcome back to another video. Is Brandy. Okay, since we are on skincare, so the reason that I'm so into skincare is because when I was growing up, I had really bad cystic acne. I just make sure that I take care of my skin now. So many things that comes into play when you're taking care of your skin. So I find the things that have the least ingredients, oil-free products, and they react to my skin very well. So I want to make sure that I share that. But this one is called, this is the Andalou Naturals. This is the Willow Bark Pure Pore Toner. So what it says, it has argan stem cells for energized renewal. It's non-GMO, it's verified, it's gluten-free and vegan-free. It's cruelty-free for animals, 99% derived. It's certified organic, fair trade ingredients. And there are some great ingredients in here. There's some
witch hazel, willow bark, kombucha, white tea, thyme oil, peppermint, camphor. There's some, I don't know if I said witch hazel already, but there's some vitamin C, meadow sweet, salicylic acid, fruit stem cells, from arrogance, some berry complexes.
I really like this product and how it feels on my skin. It smells kind of medicinal. I don't know what. Oh, the camphor. That's what I smell. It's very light though. It smells pepperminty, it smells fresh, and it actually works really well on my skin. It is called the Andalou Naturals Willow Bark Pure Pore Toner for clear skin. So I wanted to share that one with you as a part of the favorites. Since we're on skincare, this is going to be a very long video, so hope you guys don't mind. But again, this one is called, so this right here, this is a lavender salt scrub. This you can find at Trader Joe's. It's about $5.99. You can't see it. I don't want to like move it over because it's going to come out, but there's some oils in here. And also when I use it, I feel very hydrated to the point to where I feel like I don't have to lotion after because it has so many oils. What kind of oils do we have in here? Oh, we have sweet almond oil. There is some sunflower
oil, lavender oil. There's some grapeseed oil, apricot, camel oil, avocado oil. There's some green tea, St. John's wort. I mean, there's sea salt. There's a
bunch of things in here, but when I use it, I just use it all over my body. And I just gently exfoliate, but it has an oil in there, so what it's doing at the same time is it moisturizing your skin as it exfoliates. This is at Trader Joe's, so if you can and you see it, make sure you grab one. At least try it one time. Try it. This is awesome. Okay? Alright, so while I'm taking off my rings, let me throw Natalia her ball and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay. So for the next item that has been on my favorites list, this has been one of my favorites for a while. This is by The Body Shop. This is the Hemp Heavy Duty Body Moisturizer Protector. So I'm a person, I wash my hands a lot. I work very hard with my hands. Yeah, you can see it's almost gone. And these you can find on sale. I think I actually found this at TJ Maxx. So it says it was $5, $5.99. But they're definitely a bit more expensive at The Body Shop, but I found this at TJ Maxx. I've also seen them at Marshall's too, but I just wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you how it works on my hand. So I just took a little bit. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. And it works great. I like it because yes, it's moisturizing for my hands and my cuticles. It's great for your feet, your hands, and you can use it on the whole body as well. So I definitely recommend that. Is the Hemp Moisture Heavy Duty by The Body Shop. I like that. And then also they have the same thing. This is the hard-working hand protector. It's a small one that you can put in your purse and just travel with you. These are the same, but they just come in like a smaller container. So this is from The Body Shop. This is the Hemp Hand Moisturizer. Gotta share that one. All right, what do we have here? Oh, okay. So I did try Alafia Shea Butter Unscented. Now, shea butter is very moisturizing. It is, but look, as hard as I put my hand in there, nothing comes out. Now it does come out if I like take it off. It's just very like packed it, very solid. So what I like to do is mix this in with like my lotion. So I like to use it around my hands, my cuticles, my elbows here. And then also like I use my favorite lotion and I'll mix the shea butter in there with it, just to give me that glow. So, all right. Now I got a few of my favorite hair care products in here as well. This is by Zotis Professional. This is the 180 degree Pro. This is the Pro Peptide Complex. So this is the Miracle Repair Damage Eliminator. It's a leave-in conditioner. And then it comes out, it's clear, it smells good. And it is a leave-in treatment that you leave in your hair. What is it supposed to do? Groundbreaking technology that targets hair's weak sites and locks in strength to radically repair hair and help safeguard the strands against future damage. Now, I'm sharing this with you because I've been using it. I use it when I'm wearing my hair natural. And then I also put it on my hair when my hair is a little bit wet just before I dry it. And it's a leave-in. I've been liking it. So I got this at Sally Beauty Supply. I bought it a few times. And I really enjoy it. And I wanted to make sure I share this with you guys. I would definitely say to give this a try. I love it. And I hope you guys love it too. All right, so next we have, this is called, now this is Tgin, which is, thank God, it's natural. And this is Twist and Define Cream with coconut oil and vitamin E. I've used it about 3 times. Yes, okay, so the next one that we have, so this is Hicks Total Transformation Hicks Edges, which looks like this. And it's not too thick. The smell is light. It smells like a little fruity grease or something. I use it on my hair, I use it on my edges, I use it on the top. But one great thing that I found out about this is when I'm wearing my hair natural, it tames my hair. So when I'm wearing my hair natural and when I'm wearing like this, if I like it, another reason I like it is because when I use this, so say if I'm wearing my hair like how it is right now, and you use the Edge Control stuff by Hicks, and you put like a gel or something on there, it's pretty much gonna be stuff like that. This one, your hair transforms back, so it's not too overpowering to where your hair is done after that. But anyway, I really like it. I've been using it. Oh, okay, you guys, I got one more hair product in here for you. The Nourishing Coconut Milk. This is called Anti-Breakage Serum. I actually thought I had a little bit more in here than I have, but it's gone. I've been using this stuff forever. What I like about it is that it says,
indulge your senses with this exclusive blend of coconut milk, coconut oil, ultra whipped egg white proteins. And what that's supposed to do is supposed to add strengthen your hair's elasticity, the hydration, and balance for healthy hair.
I really like it because it's not too strong. Let's see if I can get any out.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay. I got a little bit out. Let's see if I can.
Let's see if you guys can see the shine. Let's see. Can you see it? I don't know. Can you see that shine? It doesn't weigh down the hair. That milk is amazing. I've been using this as my favorites for quite a while. So this I get at Target and Walmart. Yeah, since we're just talking about coconut, I thought I would share with you one of my favorite snacks that I've been obsessed with, but I don't know how to explain it. I love them. These are the Voortman baked with real shredded coconut. So I told myself that this would be it. You know, I gotta calm myself down because I got a little cookie problem. I went back and bought some more today. They're so good. They're actually addicting. These are the Voortman coconut shredded cookies. I love them. If you like coconut, please look for these cookies. No, they're really good. I would definitely say give these cookies a try. All right, and for the last but not least item on the list of all the favorites today is, now I love coffee and I hope you like coffee too. This is a chocolate sauce. Now they have this dark chocolate sauce that has been a wonderful additive to add to my coffee because I've just been so tired. I normally just mix the hazelnut creamer or the almond joy creamer or the caramel macchiato creamer, and I just kind of got tired of the same old taste until this came into my life. I add a little bit of this chocolate sauce in with my coffee, just a little bit. It has changed my life. In the morning, my coffee is so good now. I was really getting tired of those creamers and how they tasted. But this, I add in there because I like the cream, but I like this flavor. Delicious. This is dark chocolate sauce. Now at Starbucks, you know they put sauce in your coffee. This really adds something nice to your cup of coffee. So, Torani's, Torani, dark chocolate sauce. Fantastic. So if you're not a fan of dark chocolate, well, they have one for you too. They have the white chocolate sauce. They also have other flavors that I don't know exactly what they offer, but they have more than just dark chocolate and white chocolate. I make sure I add one of these in there. You can alternate between the two, that's why I have both. But I would definitely say that these are amazing, guys. That was my current favorites that I have been enjoying over these past few months, and I wanted to just share them with you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way you can get a notification whenever I upload a video next time. And thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.